Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this yummy chicken shawarma from the comfort of your home. And guys, let me tell you, this is so easy to make, extra creamy and taste incredible. I'm sure you love it. So guys, let's get straight into this. So the first thing you want to do is to season your chicken breast. So I'll be adding in some ginger powder, some garlic powder. I'll follow in with a bit of curry, thyme. Just use basic ingredients you use when you are seasoning your meat. I added some pepper, some thyme, and then some seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Then I also added this suya seasoning I have. Is optional, but if you have something like that, perfect. We'll just mix this together because you want it to be well combined. Drizzle in some oil. Give this a really nice mix, and when you see that everything is well combined, you can now introduce your chicken breast into this. So as you can see now, I'm just going to drop this in, and then I'm going to try and coat my chicken breast as much as possible with my seasoning. You want to make sure every side of this chicken breast is well coated, so some part is not more flavorful than the others. So you mix this properly and then you set aside. Guys, just in case you are new to Ali vs Food, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload yummy recipes like this, you'll get to see it. In a pan now, I'm just going to drizzle in some oil and I'm going to introduce my chicken breast. So you see, we like to use chicken breast for this because it doesn't take so long to cook. So even without boiling it first, once you just fry it up like this, it gets cooked. So I'm just going to do this on medium-low heat. I'm also going to add my sausages so that they can also be heated up on the pan. So I'm looking to make 2 pieces of shawarma, so you can see that I'm having 2 sausages available. Once the chicken breast is properly cooked on both sides, you can set that aside, and then once the sausage is cooked also, you set aside. Next is to shred our meat. So as you can see, I'm just going to use a fork and a knife for support, and I'm going to shred my meat. Like at this point I was already picking some to eat because this was so delicious already. So you just want to shred it into little pieces. So as you can see, I'm just going to shred this as much as I can, and then I'm going to set aside. Guys, if you like what you are seeing on the screen, why don't you give this video a thumbs up so more people can get to see it. Next, if it is our veggies, so in a bowl I'm going to add in my carrot and cabbage mixture. So I just chopped up some carrot and cabbage and then set aside. And this is time for our mayonnaise. I'm going to drizzle in some tomato ketchup. So if you want your shawarma to be extra creamy, you want to make sure you have enough of this. As usual, a full list of all the ingredients I use for this recipe is going to be in the description box, so you can check it out. I'll be putting some of my mayonnaise and ketchup mixture on my vegetables, and then I'm just going to mix this properly. Like I said before, if you want your shawarma to be extra creamy, this is the time. You need to add a lot of this cream. So you can see how mine is looking already extra creamy, right? So let's put our shawarma together. This is the shawarma bread. I'm still going to be using some of this ketchup and mayonnaise mixture to coat the shawarma bread. Yes, we're all about the cream here. So I'm going to coat it enough, and then I'm going to start to lay in my ingredients. So first, my cabbage and carrot mixture. I'm just going to lay this in nicely. Then I'll follow in with my chicken breast. Wow, this is looking so yummy, guys. Once I'm done, I'll just add a bit more of that cabbage and carrot on it, and then I'm going to put my sausage nicely right beside this, and it's time to roll. So you use 2 pieces of the shawarma bread to make sure it's well secured, and as you can see, I'm just going to roll this in. When I get to the end, I'll use the second one to support, and then I'm going to roll. Yeah. And guys, this is it. straightforward. I'll be doing another one so you get to see it better. So this is the second one. Placed down my shawarma bread. As usual, I'm going to be applying the tomato, ketchup and mayonnaise mixture generously on my shawarma bread, and then I'm going to add my carrot and cabbage mixture. So I'm going to add enough of this, and then I'm going to add my meat. My chicken breast, sorry. So I'm going to add my chicken breast, after which I will be adding more of that cabbage and carrot mixture on it. Next, I'll be adding in my sausage nicely beside, and it's time to wrap. So you pick the first one and then you close it, neatly wrap. Use the second one to secure it firmly, and then you roll again. So guys, you can see this is it. So you can go ahead to heat this up in an oven if you have, or on a pan if that's what you have available. Once it's heated up on both sides, guys, your shawarma is good to go. So make sure you let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. I'll be really waiting to hear from you. Have you tried making shawarma at home before? Is this your first time I'm going to be trying out this recipe? Let me know. And if you have not, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so when I upload videos you get to see, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.